Sabi nila kapag nagkaanak ka, ibibigay mo ang lahat sa kanya. Wala kang hindi gagawin. Para sa kanya, bigay todo ka. Kaya nang dumating siya sa buhay naming mag-asawa, hindi kami nag-hold back. Lahat ng di namin naranasan, ipinadanas namin sa kanya. Lahat ng layaw na aabot ng kaya namin, nilaan namin makita lang siyang masaya. Pero habang tumatagal, hindi ko itatanggi, kinakabahan kami. Parang feeling namin, hindi tama. Wala siyang kaplano-plano. YOLO lagi, ni walang direksyon ang buhay niya. Yes, nagtatrabaho kami para may maipamana sa kanya. Pero may dapat ba kaming ipangamba? Kung sa tanong na anong plano mo sa future mo ang sagot niya, bahala na. Ako si Sonia, aaminin ko, na-spoil ko yung anak ko. Paano ko ba ipaparealize sa kanya ang kahalagahan ng long-term goals? My love, this is not with this generation alone. Kumbaga, itong pangamba ni Sonia ay hindi exclusive sa generation ngayon. Once in our lives, we were that teenager na tipong parang hindi mo alam kung saan yung direksyon. Our dreams are little. Kumbaga, wala tayong grasp of responsibility kasi we don't think we have any responsibility. Ang alam lang nating na responsibilidad before is paghuhugas ng plato kung utusan tayo, pagtulong sa labahin kapag hindi kaya ni mama o wala kay washing machine, pagbili sa tindahan, nagdadabog pa nga tayo whenever sasabihin ng nanay natin while in the middle tayo ng watching the cartoon, bilan mo ko nito, bilan mo ko niyan. Those are the responsibilities na alam natin back when we were kids. And wala tayong grasp of reality. Wala tayong grasp of responsibility. But I'm not gonna lie. Yung generation ngayon is quite alarming. Alarming than we were before when I was a child. Henerasyon ko na yun batang 90s na to, batang 90s, early 2000. Meron tayong konting sense of responsibility back then Pero yung mga bata ngayon, it's different. I don't know kung dahil ba to sa technological advancement or masyado nang silang exposed sa mga gadgets. Pero they seem to do quite little when it comes to responsibility. Lalong-lalo na sa mga anak of today. Parang hindi na basihan ang amount ng sahod kapag tinatag mo ang isang tao na spoiled. Parang kahit hindi ka naman mapera, kahit di ka naman mayaman, may mga bata talagang nasuspoil. Pero aminin natin, that fault is ours. Diba? Kumbaga dahil naranasan na natin yung hirap, naranasan natin growing up with nothing, without the things na gusto natin ng mga bata tayo, we grew up na walang ganun Kasi before, kapag di natin afford. Pero ngayon kasi pinipilit natin i-afford because we want our kids to have the best things that we never had when we were kids. That's not bad. Pero kung nandun ka na sa extreme level of spoiling your kid, to the point na katulad niyan, wala na siyang sense of responsibility, wala siyang appreciation, ni hindi niya alam kung ano yung value ng meron siya at ano yung ginawa para ma-acquire yung mga gamit na meron siya. Doon na tayo nagiging enabler, my love. So if you are asking me now, if you have any reason to be worried, Sonia, that your kid is growing up without a plan in the future, kasi alam niya sa sarili niya, mommy and daddy will take care of everything. Ako na magsasabi sa'yo, yes, there's a lot of things that you should be alarmed about. Not just because wala siyang future, wala siyang plano sa future. Or not just because wala siyang bigger goal. But the fact na wala siyang care at all, yung sagot na bahala na, that is worse than ewan ko. Kasi yung ewan ko, yung pagiging unsure, yung pagiging uncertain kung ano yung gusto mo in the future. Kahit papano meron pang hope na baka right now in between lang siya of ideas kung ano yung gusto niyang marating in life. Pero yung sagot na bahala na, that is an indicator that a person doesn't even care or is not being even bothered by the idea of future. Ganun na siya ka-complacent. Ganun na siya ka-comfortable. So my love, I think it's about time that you induce a sense of responsibility to your child. I'm not saying na bawalan nyo na siyang magkaroon ng mga bagay na gusto nyo siyang magkaroon. But if that is a teenager, make that kid earn it. Ibalik mo siya dun sa old ways of reward system. If you did something good, then you can have it. If you haven't done anything that was tasked to you, na ipinapagawa sa'yo, then you can't have it. Back then kami, before kami makapanood ng TV, sa cartoons na alam naman ng mother namin na araw-araw naming pinapanood magkakapatid every 3 p.m. 3 to 5 actually. Before that, kailangan wala kaming assignment. Kailangan na nakahugas na yung plato. Kailangan nakaligo na kami. Maraming kondisyones. So I think it's by time that you reapply the old school ways of inducing discipline sa anak mo. Go for the reward system. If that one is older, then sabihin mo sa kanya, you want a new car? You want a new phone? Then work for it. Here, bibigyan kita ng task. Susweldohan kita sa task mong yan. Then yung sweldo mo, ipunin natin. Up until mabili mo yung bagay na gusto mo. Why? Because my love, you will not be forever by his side. Hindi ka forever magiging nasa tabi ng anak mo. At kung wala siyang sense of responsibility, wala man lang siyang intro to being skillful, resourceful, that kid will never survive. Even when and even if you have already built a fortress para sa batang yan, that kid will be ran over by the people who actually know what they are doing. Magiging prone lang siya sa mga tao that will take advantage of that child. So if you think you're doing a favor dyan sa bata just because you are supplying everything na kailangan niya without him doing any effort to achieve it, you are wrong. You are giving that child a disadvantage in life by knowing nothing. So Sonia, if you are listening to me right now, you have to put your foot down. Kung alam nyong mag-asawa kung gaano kahirap yung pinagdaanan ninyo to achieve everything that you have right now in life, then that child must know. Kasi if not, I am telling you, sa isang tao na walang ka-idea kung ano yung ginagawa niya, walang kahit anong recollection or idea man lang ng buhay niya, that will be scary for that child. That will be extremely disadvantageous on his end. Again, you are not doing him a favor. You are risking his future. Claro? Claro.